shout out goes to Happy the Wolf, Gacha Wolf. Love your vids, and just want to give you another shout out, guys. Go check out the channel, and also I also wanted to give you guys another one. Hold on, wait. Gacha Alice! Oh my freaking god, man! Go to her channel and subscribe. I love her videos so much. She's awesome. We do a lot of collabs together. I mean, a lot of collabs. And I enjoy it. And of course, we are the Weirdo Squad. Yeah. That was the weirdest noise I ever made in my life. Actually, no, it's not. Okay. Yeah, just wanted to say, are you done yet? Thank you. Shout out to Gacha Alice. This is her YouTube thing. Her YouTube. And she's really cool. I think you guys should go check her out. She's awesome. And I love her so much. Also, Bree and CJ said that they saw Jay. He was literally in Europe. He's in Europe right now. So, yeah. Just to let you know, Gacha Alice. Well, Alice, of course. Just to let you know. And also, we are still searching for Jay. Help us find Jay, please. We can't find him. We just saw him in Europe. We saw the video, okay? Okay, I'm done crying. Yes, please help us search for Jay. Thanks for watching.